Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to show you how exactly to use Poocoin.app to check the value of your LSCat tokens and basically to swap with Poocoin. Okay, it's going to be a very short tutorial video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video to as many people as possible, and I'll see you next time. All right. So the first step, as always, is to go to the group and copy the contract address. It's very important. So we're gonna do that now. So go to our Telegram, go to the group, then just type CA and you copy. And then the next step is to open your Trust wallet. So let's do that now. Okay, good. So next you're gonna go down, then you see home, swap, earn, discover, and then you're gonna go to browser. So you click on browser, and then you would type in the address bar, just type poocoin.app. That's it. Then you click on search, enter. Okay, let me log out because I was logged in before. Good. So once you're in the website, at the top right corner beside Poocoin.app, beside where it says Poocoin.app, you'll click on that. So it's right here, and you'll change the EVM chain because it defaults to Ethereum. So you change it to BNB Smart Chain. And then you connect your wallet by clicking on the connect button right here. So you click on connect and then click on Trust wallet, and it should connect like that. Good. So now you're connected. So generally the next step is, because normally the token will show up here, you can see LSCat already showing up here, the value that I have. If it doesn't show up but you have LSCat in your wallet, you click on load new tokens, load new tokens. If it still doesn't show up, that's when you need to use the contract address. So where it says enter token name / address, we'll click on that, and then we'll paste the address, and then it should show up here, and then click on that, and then you can see the balance that I have here, the price of LSCat here. You'll see the info here, show you the market cap of LSCat token, right? Show you the value in dollars, then to show you the chart, right? And then how you trade using Poocoin is you click on this trade button right here. Click on the trade button here. And this is basically how you trade. Okay. So you type the amount to BNB. You can see it already sets the slippage for you. You can see this auto slippage is on green. So if it's on green like this, that means auto slippage is enabled. So unlike PancakeSwap, you don't need to set a slippage. This is basically what makes Poocoin much easier, and the fact that you can check the value of your tokens. So you can put the amount of BNB that you want to buy. Let's say 0.001. And then I'll just click on swap. So I'll do that now. Click on swap. Then you can see it shows the amounts here and everything. You just swap basically. So that's how it works. And if you scroll down, you can see a bunch of stuff, right? You can see your token transaction, you can see your wallet transaction, you can see the buyers and the sellers, right? So Poocoin is a very useful tool for you to use to buy and sell and trade. Thank you guys for watching the video. As usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video to as many people as possible. God bless you, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.